The primary function of a leather strop is to remove burrs and metal shavings from the blade edge, enhancing the sharpness of the tool. If your leather strop is treated with high-quality compounds, the efficiency of removing burrs and metal shavings is further improved, leading to a polished finish that makes your blade shine. Today, I will demonstrate the correct use of a leather strop with a Gyuto knife. If your blade is very dull, it is advisable to first sharpen the blade to a sharp edge using a sharpening stone before using the leather strop to enhance sharpness and polish. Using a leather strop is simple, with attention to 3 key factors. 1. Direction. Strop in one direction only, applying pressure from the edge towards the spine. If your blade has a curved edge, slowly and steadily raise the handle to ensure even stropping along the entire edge. 2. Angle. Match the stropping angle to your sharpening angle. For instance, if your sharpening angle is 20 degrees, strop at a 20-degree angle. Adjust accordingly for different sharpening angles. 3. Stropping frequency. To remove burrs, stropping the edge 8 to 10 times in one direction should suffice. For a polished finish, around 20 strokes per side can achieve a mirror-like effect. However, this depends on the quality of the compound used. A good compound is essential for effective burr removal and polishing. If you have any questions regarding the use of a leather strop, feel free to ask in the comments. We are open to discussions and may even present video demonstrations for further clarity.